Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. If you are new here, my name is Patricia and welcome back to another video. So, as you should have seen from the clips before this and the title, this is a Halloween tutorial, and for Halloween this year, I am going to be an alien superstar. How cute is that? How cute is that? I was like, oh my gosh, that would be such a cute costume. And I actually don't have anywhere to go, but I am dressing up. And, you know, hopefully can give you guys some inspiration in advance of this Halloween. I think what I'm going to do is go do my base because that's not really as important. I'm just going to put foundation and all that stuff on. And then work on the eyes and the whole vibe, alien look. And I'm going to do a little something to the hair, style it a little bit more to give more fun, alien, whatever. I got this wig from Shein. I think for the makeup, we're going to go for blue and silver. That's going to be the theme of this tutorial, costume, whatever. I guess blue or green can kind of work for aliens. I've seen both. I have some inspo. Well, I tried to find some inspo. I was on Pinterest. Scrolling as I do. I think I'm going to do something similar with the hair. So if you can see, she kind of has like two knots. not my phone giving out on me. So I'm going to do something kind of like that with something in the hair. And then I like her makeup. I like the kind of the lines. It's sort of geometric. And then she just has on a silver outfit. So this one is another look that I'm drawing some inspo from. Here is the blue hair. Again, the little knots, like I guess that's just a look. And then they do green and blue makeup. And they have some purple. I saw this other look. It's just a lot of glitter, a lot of silver, a little headpiece. So I think I'm going to pull from a little bit of everything and try to come up with something cute in the end. And so let's go. I mean, this is a Halloween tutorial, but you guys are also kind of coming along with me because I'm freehanding it. I do not know what I'm doing, but I think it'll be fun to come up with this look. So just keep on watching if you're interested. Guys, I'm back. So I look a little bit different. I styled the hair. So what I did was, and I hope you guys can see it. So I think that that should be a little bit better. So I styled the hair. What I did was I did 2 pigtails. I just gathered some of the hair here, and I put a little rubber band and did like a pigtail. And then I took it and I folded it up. So I took the pigtail and just folded it over, put another rubber band around it so that it kind of like hiked up and has this part, and then the little remainder part hanging down here. And I did that to 2 to kind of give me 2 little antenna things. I didn't really want to do like the space buns because I just feel like it was kind of simple. This kind of edges it up a little bit. Not edges it up, but I guess it gives it like a little bit more oomph, kind of pumps it up. It looks like little antennas. So I can phone home, you know. So I have these 2 things, and then I put on my little sparkly headbands. This is, again, playing into the silver superstar aspect of the alien thing. And I also feel like it's really cool, kind of like, I don't know, it's just a vibe. And then I just did my base. So I started beat, face, base. I put foundation, concealer. I did very bright concealer. And then some contour, a little very harsh contour. And so now we're going to start with this makeup. Okay, let's get into some makeup. Push the hair back, came a little bit closer. I have 2 random blue eyeshadow palettes that I've had for a very long time. I don't know where I got these from. I'm pretty sure I just ordered them online. Again, a really long time ago. It says Beauty Glaze, but you don't need these particular palettes. They were just random palettes that I got, but they have fun colors and blues and shimmers, which we're going to work with. And I have another one. And interestingly enough, they're called Neptune and Uranus. Perfect. Okay, so this other one has kind of similar colors. There's one that's broken, so I don't want to turn it over and have the eyeshadow fall all over the place, but we'll probably work less with this one, but it does have a shimmery blue that I might want to use. And as I said initially, we are freehanding it, people. Okay, so I don't have a plan. I got a jar of eyeshadow brushes, and we're just gonna make it do what it do. You know, we're gonna experiment, we're gonna have fun, and we're gonna become an alien superstar. I'm too classy for this world, forever I'm that girl. Okay, so I have tons of blue on my face fallout from the blue eyeshadows that I'm using, but that's fine. I'm gonna dust it off. I also think I'm gonna try to take some blue and kind of make a little blush with it. Again, I'm an alien, so it all makes sense. The blue is coming from within. So anyway, I think I'm gonna go see if I have more of a silver tone something eyeshadow to kind of do on the inner corners and brighten it up. Then I'm gonna get some blue liner and go underneath and probably do some shadow underneath, and then we're gonna get into the rhinestones. And this is gonna be my first time ever using rhinestones, so whew. Okay, so I grabbed my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina collaboration palette, and I'm gonna use Trust Issues, which is kind of this silvery white color there, and I'm gonna do that in the inner corners. I think that'll brighten things up and that will be pretty. So we're gonna do that. Oh, it's like iridescent, so it's like a wow, that's so crazy. So you see what it looks like in the palette here, and then when I look in the mirror at it, it's like green, and I think that's how it comes up on camera, but you know, that works. We're gonna work with it. It is like amazingly shimmery and pops, so that's fine. And it'll shift, I guess, the colors. I'm gonna kind of brush over it so it blends with the blue shimmer next to it. I think that looks really pretty. All right, so let's try to tackle underneath the eyes. I have this blue liner pen. I think I got this from like the beauty supply store. Just warm it up a little bit on my hand. And I'm just gonna go underneath. I don't know guys, should I do the blush part and then the rhinestones? Yeah, I think that's what I'll do too. I think I'm gonna try to make this blush and then add the rhinestones. Ooh, that looks crazy, huh? See, okay, wait, hold on. See, that looks better because that looks, I think that has picked up more on the, oh my god, I didn't blend out the shimmer and it just kind of went pop on my cheek. But that's okay because I think that looks better with the shimmer. This side is definitely a lot more of like a, the powder, there we go. And then this is the shimmer, which adds that like kind of, we're just going full out now. We're just going full out alien, but that's okay. I'm going to blend my little heart out on this blue. I think what I'll do is I'm going to take another brush and try to like clean it up a little bit. I'm going to take another brush and clean it up a little bit, and then maybe add a highlighter on top of it to help kind of like make it a little bit more mystified and shimmery and alien-y instead of just blue glob all over my face. So yeah. So what I did was I blended some of the blue out. I went and added this Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby Killawatt highlighter on top of it to kind of give it a little bit of shine. So look at that. So it looks like a light, like a blue highlighter blush type look. I think it looks cute. I added some to my nose too. I think it looks cute. I think it'll come together again once I do the rhinestones as well. And then I sprayed my face. Oh, actually I added more setting powder, like bright setting powder on these areas and here to kind of like tone it down a bit and brighten it up, the center. I'm gonna dot the eyelash glue on my face and then I'm gonna place these rhinestones. All right, so let me set a couple out so I know what I'm working with. And then I have to actually go grab the glue and then we're gonna start. And I guess a pair of tweezers because I don't know how else I'm gonna pick them up and place them. Okay, we are zoomed in. So I'm trying to do funkier placements of the jewels in different shapes. So we have these shaped here and that one. I think I'm gonna add one on each side of my eyes here. Ooh, I like it. This is really cool. That was actually a lot easier than I thought. And I feel like it is definitely giving alien vibes. And I like that. And I was trying to figure out if I wanted to do like blue in my eyebrows. I think I might. I think I'm gonna do blue in my eyebrows. Oh guys, it's coming together. All right, let me place these two more jewels and then see where we're at. Here's the rhinestone placement. I love it. I think it looks really cool. I think it looks nice. It definitely adds to the look. It definitely amps it up. It definitely like gives it life. I really like it. And I think it complements the makeup really well actually. And complete like the whole, I'm loving the hair makeup right now. This combo from neck up, I feel very Alien Superstar. Stiletto kicking vintage crystal off the bar category. That. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna use the lighter blue. That just pops more. Oh my gosh, it's like really taking over my brows too. That's so cool. I love how cool this is. I'm really having fun with this look. I really am having a blast with this look. Okay, you guys, my camera died. So I finished my eyebrows. They are blue. And I'm just gonna do some blue lipstick, change into my outfit, and give you guys a full, complete view of my Alien Superstar Halloween costume. Okay, so let's do, I just have lip gloss on. And what I'm going to try to do very quickly is stamp some blue with a brush on my lips. And hopefully it'll just stick based off the gloss. Okay. There we go, it's working. Okay, you guys, I love that. The lips look so nice. Hold on, let me zoom you guys in. Look how pigmented they turned out. Leo, thank you. Can you come down? He's having a moment right now. But look how pigmented the lips came out. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. I love that. Look at my eyebrows. This is so cool. This is probably the most like experimental, funky makeup I've done, even for Halloween. This is a first for me. Let's get on the outfit. Let's get on the outfit, you guys. Let's get on the outfit. Let's get on the outfit. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Make my heart go boom, boom. My supernova girl. Zoom, zoom. Make my heart go boom, boom. My supernova girl. How many of y'all remember that? How many of y'all know Xenon? Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. I have on this metallic-y silver chrome shirt dress long from H&M. These silver mule heels, like silver iridescent mule heels from Nine West. I have my sparkly bag from Amazon that I love so much. And I have the black leather strap on it and the silver metal long strap to make it crossbody. I am using it as a belt to belt the shirt, and I think it works really cute. And it looks nice and kind of cinches it in, and it's easy to clip because I don't have any silver belts. Hair and makeup done by moi. Like, I am going to go rock the galaxy. You guys, the look is complete. This was so much fun. I loved it. I love doing the makeup. I had a blast. It's very cool. It's very different. It's very fun. I love the hair. I want to step out. You know, it's not even Halloween, but I want to step out. But I'm glad I could do this for you guys. Hopefully I inspired somebody. Hopefully somebody will recreate this look. If you decide to recreate this look for Halloween, please comment down below. Let me know. Share some pictures. I don't know. I want to see it. But I just thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please, please, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in more videos from moi, please go ahead and subscribe and join our growing YouTube family. There we go. There we go. Join this growing YouTube family, guys. I'm excited. Let's go. And last but not least, if you have any questions about what went down in today's video or just want to engage further with me, please go ahead and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.